In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use an American Express gift card on the Apple Store and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you acquired an American Express gift card, you will be able to check its eligibility after it has been properly activated if you visit any Apple Store. Now, all that you would have to do to use or redeem your specific American Express gift card here is to proceed to checkout after you add any items to your card. So as you can see, I went ahead and I added two of these iPhone 15 Pro to my cart. Of course, you can take your time and carefully choose the item that you wish to purchase, so you can customize the storage, opt in for trade-in options, connectivity, etc. I'm just keeping it simple and assuming that you have everything in your cart. When you proceed to checkout, after you include the option to continue as a guest, sign into your account, have it delivered, you will be able to see the payment methods available on the Apple Store. So I'm just going to choose any of these time windows here as a demonstration. Like I said, you can take your time to carefully consider all of this, but I'm just skipping ahead for this video. When you reach this window, you will choose from the default payment methods. You will notice that they offer credit or debit card and then PayPal. Under credit or debit card, they have the option to use American Express. As you can see here, I've highlighted it. So all that you would have to do to redeem your American Express gift card is to input the credit or debit card number here from the gift card, the expiration date, and the security code. For your billing address, just use your own home address. Now, this is the part of the video where I have to make a big disclaimer. It seems that in the recent years, a lot less online retailers have been accepting the American Express gift cards. What this means is that just include your American Express gift card here, and if you get an error message telling you that it is not eligible or that it can't be used on the Apple Store, then unfortunately there's no workaround to this. If you are able to use the gift card, it is going to be through this window. Besides this option, there is no other way to redeem your American Express gift card on the Apple Store, so keep that in mind. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware of the steps in which you will be able to use your American Express gift card to make a purchase on the Apple Store. But, like I said, and I made the disclaimer, this doesn't guarantee that it is going to work because it depends on the type and the year of your specific gift card. I hope I was able to answer any questions that you had about how to use an American Express gift card on the Apple Store. If this video answered them, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.